My friends, I have a sheet in this Excel file that I want to hide, so that when I send it to my colleagues, that sheet will be hidden. When we right-click on the sheet and select the Hide option, that sheet will be hidden. But anyone can easily right-click on the sheets and select the Unhide option and view the hidden sheets. So, if you have a confidential file, this way is not suggested to you. On the other hand, you don't want to delete that confidential file because its information is related to other sheets. So, you have to use another way to hide the sheet. For this, we right-click on the name of the sheet, we click on the View Code option. In the window that opens on the left, you can see all the sheets in the file. If the names of the sheets are not displayed for you, just select the Project Explorer option from the View tab so that the names of the sheets are displayed for you. Now we select the desired sheet. There are three options in the Visible option at the bottom. The first option is Visible, which means the sheet is visible. The second option is Hidden, which means it does the same thing as Hide. And the third option is Very Hidden, which must choose. By choosing this option, you will see that the Hide sheet is not in the list of sheets. And it will be displayed by right-clicking and on Hide. Now, if we want to restore the hidden sheet, we right-click again. In the View Code section, we select the desired sheet. And then in the Visible section, we select the Visible option instead of Very Hidden. And the sheet will be displayed again for us easily. You may have a question that if someone doesn't know this method, can they return the hidden sheet or not? Well, of course they can do this. But the point is that you have to lock the file and then send it. Passwords will also be taught in the Advanced Excel course. The audience may be sensitive to receiving a locked file or hide it in this way, and then send the file. When a file is very significant to me and I don't want to cause sensitivity, I make it very hidden and then I send it. If we want to copy only a series of sheet information and transfer it to another sheet, it is enough to select that area, right-click, select Copy, and paste it in the desired sheet. But we may want to copy the entire sheet information. So, for this, we can click on the triangle on the upper left side of the page to select the entire sheet, and then perform the paste and copy operations, but I don't suggest this. The best way is to click on the sheet we want to copy, then hold the Control key and drag and drop it to the desired sheet. Now you will see a copy of your sheet is displayed in the list of sheets. Then you can easily double-click on the created sheet and change its name. Now you may want to transfer this sheet to another file. In this case, we right-click on the desired sheet. We select Move or Copy. From the opened window, enter the name of the desired file and select the location of the sheet we want to copy in the Before Sheet section and activate the Create a Copy option. And then click OK. Now you will see that the desired sheet has been copied in the desired Excel file with its entire contents. If we want to create a blank line between each row in our table and we want to do it by inserting, it will be very time consuming. But we must keep in mind that Excel has not designed a tool for all our needs, and we have to solve our needs by using the available tools. To do this, there are solutions that I will tell you. For this, we create a template in the last column attached to the table. We type 1, 2 and take the lower right corner and continue until our numbers are generated. Now we will select the entire column of numbers and paste it at the bottom. Now it's enough to choose one of those numbers. Then we select Sort from the Data tab and select the Sort Smallest to Largest option. Now you will see all the numbers from the smallest to the largest. Ones are displayed in a row, as well as twos and other numbers are displayed consecutively. And you will see that according to this column, the entire table changes and you have created an empty row in all the rows. Naturally, if we wanted to create two empty lines, we would have to copy the numbers once more and apply the same method. After creating empty rows, we can also delete the column where we created the numbers. And this column has played its role like a catalyst. And after that, it's removed from the test. Now suppose we have a table like this and we want to do the opposite of the previous step, that is, delete all the empty rows. There are different methods for this. One of these methods is to select the entire area. In the Data tab, we select the filter. Now, if our numbers are in order, we can sort it and you will see that the empty lines will be deleted. But it may change by sorting the data. Or we select the blank option in the filter section and delete all the blanks. So easily. In order to be able to create a row or column in our table, it's enough to right-click on the desired place and add our rows or columns from the Insert option. The shortcut key for this is the Shift key plus Control key. And if we want to delete a row or column, just hold Control with a minus sign and delete the desired row and column from the opened window. But there is another method that many may not know. Just click on the lower right corner in the desired place and drag it down while holding the Shift key and create as many rows and columns as you want. Suppose we have a table and we want to hide one of these rows by right-clicking. This row is hidden. It's not displayed in the table. Now, if we want to have a copy of this area, we select the area and right-click. In another place, we right-click and hit paste. You will see that the line that we hid is also displayed. And this is wrong. it shouldn't copy the line that was hidden. In these cases, we have to select the desired area. This time we don't select the copy. From the Home tab in the Editing section, we select the Find and Select option. From the Open list, we select the Go to Special option. From the window that opens, select Visible Cells and click OK. Now you see the lines that are selected. And now we will right-click, we will press Copy, and if you look carefully, you will see that two pieces will be copied, and now we will right-click in a cell and press Paste. To paste only the same numbers for us. Now you will see the line that is hide is not showing. So when you want to copy a table that has hidden rows and columns, you use this option.